Greetings! In this video I want to talk about the iSpecAlgo project. I think you have already heard about it, but you still haven't fully understood what it is. Well, let's figure it out. The project was founded on April 27, 2022. Since then, a lot has changed and been done. Initially, the project contained only indicators. Anyone could pay a subscription and use indicators to analyze and search for signals on the cryptocurrency market. Having received feedback from users, we realized that it is not enough to give people analytical software, we also need to train them. We taught how to look for good opportunities to open a position, filter signals, observe risk management, calculate the required deposit for trading, and most importantly, we could not give people the opportunity to check on history how well they had set up their indicators. Thus, the project management decided to change course. Keep up with the times, automate all routine work, and give people the opportunity to understand in one click how well they have configured our product. We do not rest on our laurels and are constantly developing the project. At the moment, we have reached the complete automation of all processes. Now our users do not need to sit at the monitor around the clock, since we have developed a whole pool of algorithms that themselves make decisions about opening and closing positions. Of course, the algorithm is not a panacea, and they need to be configured. The TS Lab program will help you with this. Using its functionality, you can run the algorithm on history and understand what deposit you need to launch on the real market. And what is also important, you can give a command to the program and it will run the algorithm on historical data. It will show you exactly what settings you should set. What will be the result? Thus, our team solved the problem of selecting optimal parameters. Now each user will be able to independently select the settings, understand what the result will be with these settings, and what deposit will be required. Now let me explain to you how the project works, what its architecture is, what principles it adheres to, and what it strives for. If we talk about our principles and goals, then everything is banal. We never promised mountains of gold and extra earnings. The market is a competitive environment. In order to win in this fight, you must have an advantage. You get your first advantage when you start trading systematically, and only an algorithm can do this job very well. It doesn't matter to him what phase the moon is in. He doesn't experience stress and doesn't take rash actions. The next advantage is a clear calculation of risks and a forecast of probabilities. By running a trading bot on history, you will understand how much you need to keep in your account. And with what probability will transactions be closed in profit? I can list for a long time the advantages of a systematic approach, but that's not what the video is about. I just want to convey to you the fact that there is nothing better than a systematic approach. We understand that not everyone can spend years of their life developing working systems, so our goal is to give people a ready-made solution. We have a whole pool of proven algorithms. We do not sell them because we value their uniqueness. And you must admit, selling a working algorithm is a pretty stupid thing to do, which is why we decided to rent them out to people. This is our goal. Just to give ordinary traders the opportunity to finally make money in the market. In simple words, we provide a tool for making money, and how well you master it will determine your result. If you look at our user ratings, you will notice a funny fact. They essentially have the same tool in their hands, but each of them achieved different results. Someone earned 50% and someone only 10%. Another interesting fact is that our rating shows positive dynamics for most portfolios, which indicates the quality of our product. We understand that there is a lot of scam in this area, and my words do not give you confidence. Here, I can advise you only one thing. Don't be lazy and try it. We have a free plan. The conditions are indicated on our website. Try it, and all doubts will disappear. Now let me tell you how everything works. I'll answer a frequently asked question. What do you need to get started? How to launch the algorithm and start earning money? The first thing you need is, naturally, to subscribe to our project. It can be obtained both for a fee and for free. See the current price list and conditions on our website on the tariffs page. The second is a home computer, preferably a more powerful one since it will work with a large amount of data. Third, install the TS Lab program on your computer and obtain a license from them. You can apply for it completely free of charge. You don't have to pay. See the conditions on their website. And one last thing. Fourth, is to have an account on a crypto exchange. You can run algorithms on exchanges such as Binance, Bybit, OKEx, and others. The entire list of exchanges on which you can run our algorithms can be found on the official website of TS Lab. Since our trading robots work through this program, then, accordingly, you need to look at the list of exchanges on their website. After you subscribe to our project, you get access to private video instructions and documentation. Everything is described and shown there in detail. In any case, we have support that you can always contact and will help you. So there won't be any problems. So, let me show you how to run your first algorithm. I'll show you in general terms, just to understand the process. Let's assume you have access to our project and installed the TS Lab program. And that's all you have left to do. So this is to select an algorithm on our website, download it and install it in the program. Let's do this. We go to the website of our project, find the Algorithms page. And let me take as an example one of the most popular algorithms in our project. It's called Longer. Scroll to the very bottom and click on the Download button. Download the algorithm. Now we need to get it out of the archive. After that, go to the TS Lab program, open the laboratory, and click on the button to load the container. We find our algorithm and download it. As we see, the algorithm was successfully added. Now we can open it and look at how it worked on historical data. As you can see, the TS Lab program ran the system and gave us the result. In the control panel, you can see the minimum required deposit to start. That is, the algorithm itself calculated how much funds it needed for trading. Let's say we have these funds in our account, and we are completely satisfied with how the trading bot is configured. So what are we waiting for? Let's launch him straight into battle. To run the algorithm in real life, we need to create an agent. You can create a large number of agents based on one algorithm. Thus, having only one bot, we have the opportunity to launch it on all coins at once. For example, I think it will be enough to run the algorithm on one coin. In order to create an agent, you need to select the trade item in the Program menu, then select Agents. Now you need to click on the Create Agent button. In the name field, enter absolutely any name and click on the OK button. That's it. The agent is ready to go. Now we need to launch it. To do this, we drag the slider to change its state from inactive to active. As you can see, the slider has turned green, which means that the bot is running and has already started analyzing prices and trading. As you can see, the algorithm analyzed the data and opened a trade. I will not wait for the bot to close the deal, since enough content has already been filmed showing its work. Watch the videos on our YouTube channel, especially the playlist dedicated to this project. I also want to remind you that we have a free Telegram channel. By subscribing to it, you can watch how the bot trades in real time. Longer is installed there. After the bot opens a deal, it publishes a post in the channel with the opening prices of the deal and take profit. Thus, you can try trading with our algorithm, but I think not everyone will be able to follow the bot. In any case, we will be glad to see you among our subscribers. Well, let's sum it up. Now you know how everything works, what you need to get started, and how to run the algorithm. As you can see, you don't need to be a genius to run a bot. You just need to spend literally a week to get acquainted with the functionality of the program, read our documentation on setting up bots, and after that, you will be able to reach a new level, become a system trader, and keep up with the times. We remind you that the current conditions for subscribing to our project can be found on our website on the tariffs page. Also, I promised you to hold a competition and give away 3 keys with access to our project for a month. The conditions of the competition are simple. First, like this video. Second, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Third, Leave absolutely any comment, but the main thing is that the comment contains a link to your Telegram account so that we can contact you and give you an access key. We will summarize the results of the competition in the next video. Now you know how our project works, how to gain access, how to run the algorithms, and what you need to get started. This concludes our video. Thank you all for your attention. There was a project with you, iSpecAlgo, or simply ISA. Have a good mood and profitable transactions.